Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 9. 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Right? That means it is land. Suppose this is a land. I have taken the area. Suppose this is a land. It is 5 meter long, 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. 4 meter wide. The question is 5 square flower beds each of sides 1 meter are dug. Right? That is 5 square beds are dug. That is 5. Suppose this is 1 square beds. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Suppose 5 square beds 1 meter are dug on a piece of land. Right? These are flower beds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? What is the area remaining part of the land? Therefore, first of all, you have to find the total area of the land. Right? The solution. First, you have to find the area of the land. Area of the land. Area of the land. Area of the land is equal to 5 into 4, that is 5 into 4 square meter. 4 square meter. That is 4 5 is 20 is equal to 20 square meter. Right? Now, 5 square beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land of 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. Now, area of 5 square 5 5 square flower beds. Square flower beds. Flower beds is equal to 5 into 1 into 1 square meter, and that is comes to 5 square meter. Right? The area of the land is 20 square meter, and area of 5 square flower bed is 1 into 1, and then into 5, that is 5 square meter. Right? Therefore, area of the remaining part of the land. Therefore, we find area. Therefore, area of the remaining part of the land. Area of the remaining part of the remaining part of the land. Remaining part of the land. Area of the remaining part of the land is equal to, the area of the land is 20 minus 5 square meter, and it comes to 15 square meter. Once again we are repeating. Here you see that first of all we will find the total area, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 square meter. Now 1 square bed is 1 meter into 1 meter, therefore the area of one flower square bed is 1 meter square, and there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 5 into 1 into 1, that is 5 square meter, right? Therefore area of the remaining part of the land is 20 minus 5, that is 15 square meter. This is the solution of question number 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.